Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.